2024 Ford Mondeo, release, prices, and rumors. The new Ford Mondeo may be a China-only model, but sedan fans worldwide are intrigued. The new Lincoln Zephyr, introduced last fall and created for the Chinese market, is a company cousin to the standard version, which debuted this month. They may use a stretched Ford C2 system. Fords like the Bronco Activity and Maverick have front-wheel drive. Mondeo is a fashionable and sporty mid-sized car with cutting-edge technology that local buyers love. For the upcoming Mondeo, Ford's design team realized these traditions must be maintained for China. First photographs show the sporty SD line trim. Last year, purported photos revealed the 2024 Ford Mondeo. Chinese Ministry of Market and Information. The Mondeo SD features different front and back bumpers than the standard Mondeo. Redesign. A black spoiler lip, larger diffuser, and fake exhaust pipe trim are on the rear bumper. Deep red with a black roof, the display car. Enhancing the contoured bodywork with 19-inch alloy wheels. The car's flush-fitting door handles respond to passenger needs. The delicate back Ford badge opens the liftgate. Animated full-width lighting may be the most responsive element. As drivers approach Mondeo's front grille, the Mondeo's inside isn't seen, but the Evos can serve as a reference. The China-only variant boasts a stunning 27-inch LCD screen that covers virtually the whole dashboard, with few buttons and lots of smart-looking supplies. 2024 Ford Mondeo. It has a 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a 27-inch 4K Sync Plus 2.0 touchscreen. The latter facilitates Baidu AAUs. The SD line bundle includes action seats, red highlights, ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and the SD symbol in the dashboard. 2024 Mondeo specs. The 2024 Ford Mondeo uses the same turbocharged 2.0-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine with 235 horsepower, 238 PS/175 kilowatts, and an 8-speed automated transmission. Ford Evos crossovers use this powerplant. The new Ford's powertrain is a thriller, but spy photographs show a badge. The Mondeo's 245 horsepower, 182 kilowatt, 2.0-liter engine. Ford might fit hybrid and all-electric powertrains inside the car. The just but isn't proof. The 2024 Ford